shaking or too much wind. But yeah, today, you know, we have about another 30 minutes, I say, till we head over to the gym. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are all doing great today. Here in, I actually have no idea where we're actually playing at. We're in the north of France somewhere. We're playing in the French Cup. This is like I think it's 128 teams, something like that. And each weekend, each month, you play a round. And now we're getting to the finals. So last night was a Sweet 16. Today, or in this afternoon, we're playing in the Elite 8. It's actually a back-to-back to get to the Final Four. So we're playing in this game this afternoon. We won last night, which is really good. And I think if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, that kind of catches you up to exactly where I am and what the plan is for today. So as you know, today is a game day. That we're staying at. It's called the Ibis Hotel. I really like this hotel. They were a sponsor of one of the teams I played for 5 years. Great hotel, amazing place, but the breakfast at this place, you know, a pretty interesting thing this morning just kind of finished. Actually, as soon as I was about to leave, so my teammates came walking in. Had a little coffee breakfast. Now I have about 15, 20-ish minutes until we have a little team meeting to review for the game. It's kind of what we do all the time. I'm sure a lot of you guys know that, but maybe you don't. I kind of feel like all the things that I feel like everyone knows, they kind of don't. But before we play a team, we watch film. It's nothing new. It's not a secret. Almost all teams do it. So we have a team scouting in about 20 minutes. But I have to kind of walk around, clear my mind, and just get some fresh air and get this lactic acid out of my legs. You know, when you're training and working out, it's never about that day when you're working out. It's always about how you feel the next day. That's how you see how your diet's going, if you stretched well, how old are you getting older. That's when you really see. So I'm getting all this lactic acid out of my legs and kind of just getting a breath of fresh air. A little bit cramped up in the hotel. And the crazy thing is, we're staying in the same hotel as like the other team. Now I know I know about 4 players on the other team, so it's not as bad, but it's kind of weird when you're in the same hotel with them. You know, we talked after the game. You know, we kind of talked after the game and everything, but then you come back to the hotel and you see them and you're just like, huh, that's a little bit too much. So definitely a call and definitely a sign to come out, walk around, get some fresh air before heading back to scout, to watch the scouting with the team. I don't know about you guys, but do you guys ever have those people or maybe those things in your life that you know are not good for you, but they are always around? Like, they're just always around and you don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. That's kind of how it is with McDonald's. They're just always around. I know it's not good for me, but yeah, they're always around, but not getting food from there, not on a game day. But one thing I've never tried from McDonald's is a coffee. Man, McDonald's coffee definitely approved. Back from McDonald's, little coffee. We've had our team meeting, we've had our team lunch. Right now is sorry for the shaking. I have this is what the camera is actually literally holding on, this water bottle. Hopefully there's not too much shaking or too much wind. But yeah, today, you know, we have about another 30 minutes, I say, till we head over to the gym. minutes, I say, till we head over to the gym. Whoa, that was close. Everything's okay. But what I was saying is we have another 30 minutes until we head over to the gym. And you know, I'm gonna kind of, it's a really important game for us today, and I wanna make sure I'm completely prepared for it, mentally, physically, everything. Only so much I can do physically, of course, but mentally. So put the camera away before I head to the gym. But while I have my coffee, while I'm still in my calm mode, super calm mode, I want to say today's game, the thought of the game today is, I think it's whatever team comes out and can produce the highest and consistent energy today. We played last night, we played late last night, and then this is the early afternoon game the next day. So both teams, we're all gonna be pretty much a little bit tired. We're all gonna be feeling a little bit fatigued, and that's normal. And we're all gonna definitely wanna win, and that's normal. So I think that what's gonna come down to is to not have too many ups and downs in the game. The ups and downs are gonna occur, but we need to have the majority of the energy at a high level, or the highest level that we can produce. And I feel like that is a big key for today's game. But as I always tell people, you know, I just was trying to get a coffee and trying to kind of be quiet and ran into some supporters, some of our fans in the McDonald's. But you know, it's great always meeting them. But before the game, I'm trying to always clear my mind. And the thing that they all ask, almost all of them ask, is, "Are you guys ready for today? We've drove an hour and a half to come watch." You know, it's always like, hey, I always say this. I say, yes, we are ready, and we're gonna do the best we can. Do I think we're gonna win? I always think that. But I think the main thing is to give the best we have and to give everything we have each game. That's the mentality going into every game, and it's never been more important than today's game. We're both tired, so that is the thought of the day. Going to enjoy my coffee and relax for a few more minutes, then heading over to the gym for game time. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember, same place I was at yesterday before the game. Here I am after the game. Man, tough loss. Like, we kind of gave everything. There's no excuses, but it was just like, yeah, I was frustrated because we gave everything. We came so close, you know. We started off really bad and we had to fight back, even though we were super tired. But we came so close, and then at the end, yeah, other team came through, and you know, they got the win, and happy for them at the same time. He had some friends on the other team as well. That was cool, but just hate losing. But it was good. We went further than we were supposed to go in this French Cup, so I'm super excited for that and happy for my team. Proud of my team. We gave everything, and now the game is finished. I'm not sure exactly how close I am to another city, but gonna try and head to another city maybe before the sun sets. Maybe, I don't know. Not looking too good. So all checked into the hotel. Everything is all good. Sun is gone, I know, but it's still not too late. Here in the Grand Place, as you guys know, been kind of just walking around here, kind of just enjoying no particular destination. Well, food definitely, but kind of just been chilling, relaxing. Disappointed about the game, but at the same time, it's kind of one of those, we learned a lesson. Hopefully we'll learn more and we'll do better. But now kind of in a new city, which kind of makes it a little bit different. When you go back to your home city after the game, it's a little bit different because you kind of feel like we lost. You see the signs for your city, but you know, coming into a new city right now kind of clears my mind just for a couple hours before going back to my city, well, tomorrow, which is kind of good for my brain because although I'm happy to be in another city, a little bit sad about losing, but it's all good. The food was so good, I forgot to film it. Okay, I can't remember the name of that pizza place, but that was close to being probably the best 2 pizzas I've ever had. And right now you have the kind of Grand Place is just on the other side over there. I'm kind of here in this area here in Lille. If you guys know, this is a really nice coffee shop. If you guys are ever there, you get a great view of that. And I think kind of on that note, I am going to call it a night. I thought I had all these plans, but I really feel like just chilling, relaxing, and just not thinking, kind of just really being in the moment of not being back in Berk and not being close to my team for the moment, having time to think about everything that's happened in the game this past weekend. But on that note, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. All you guys new around here, so great to meet you guys. Thank you guys for your comments and questions and emails. I'll be getting back to a lot of people this week as well. And I think on that note, I will bid you guys good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you guys in the world are in the world. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.